Okay, class, today we are going to be talking about operation of addition. We are going to start off with this equation over here, and it states 24 plus 16. So what we're going to do first is we're going to divide these two columns so you can see. We're going to draw a line from the top all the way down. So there's column 1. We're going to write column 1. And this is column 2 over here. Column 2. We're going to start at column 1, and we're going to add 4 plus 6, which is 10. So I could write 10, but that doesn't look right, does it? This doesn't fit in our column. It's too big for our column, and it's almost going into column 2. So instead of writing 10, we're going to put a 0 in column 1 because it fits, and we're going to lend column 2 our extra 1 from the 10. And instead of 2 plus 1, we have 1 plus 2 plus 1, which equals 4. So 24 plus 16 equals 40. And instead of putting the 1 in column 2, we lent it to column 2 up here, and then we got our 4. So moving on to question 2, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to divide this down the middle, and we're going to look at column 1, column 2. So column 1 is 7 plus 9, which equals 16. But look, again, we can't put the 1 from the 16 in column 2. So we have to lend it to column 2 up here. And instead of 3 plus 5, it's 1 plus 3 plus 5, which equals 9. So 96 is our answer. So question 3 is different because instead of just 2 columns, we have 3 columns to look at. So starting at column 1, column 2, and column 3. So column 1 is 1 plus 9 equals 10. And again, we can't put the 1 of the 10 into the column 2 section. So we're going to put it into column 2 up here. We're going to lend it to column 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 9 is 11. So we're going to put our 1 here. The same thing. We can't put the other 1 for the 11 in column 3, so we're going to put it up top and lend it to column 3. So 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. So 610 is our answer. The last problem we are going to focus on is 126 plus 498. And I'm going to divide my columns up. So column 1, column 2, that's a silly looking C, and column 3. Let's start at column 1 over here. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So I'm going to put the 4, and should I put my 1 right here? Or should I put it over here in column 2 where I lend it? I'm going to put it in column 2 and add 2 plus 9 plus 1, which is 12. And then I'm going to lend the 1 from the 12 to column 3. So instead of 1 plus 4, it's 2 plus 4, which is 6. And our answer is 624. The best thing to do when you're setting up an addition problem is write out your problem. So 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 5, 6. You write it out, and you immediately draw columns. So you know which numbers you add up and where you lend your additional number to. So let's see, 3 plus 6 is 9, so we don't have to lend anything. 2 plus 5 is 7, and 1 plus 4 is 5. See how neat and nice that is that we can tell? Let's go over here and write 6, 7, 8 plus 9, 10. Okay, we're going to draw our lines. So 8 plus 9 is 17. I'm going to lend my 1 from 17 to the 7. 7 plus 0 is 7, plus 1 is 8. And then I have nothing to lend to column 3, so it's going to be 7. So that is how we lend to the next column. Thank you for watching.